Welcome to e-learning subject work experience for class 2. I am your teacher, Miss Rabia. Welcome back children. Today we are going to start a new chapter on computers. The chapter is chapter 3, Man versus Computer. But before starting the new lesson, let us have a look at the learning objectives. You will be able to understand the major differences between a man and a computer. Hi friends, you know that a computer can do many things. It is used in each and every area of your life. It has made life very fast and easy. Therefore, it can be better than you. But how it can be possible? Man has made computer. Then how can a computer be better than a man? Computer only works according to the instructions given by humans. Without man, computer is a dumb machine. But still, I am better than you. Let's have a comparison. Okay, let's go.
Children, here I'm going to show you some major differences between a computer and a man. Listen carefully and try to remember all the important points. A computer can remember many things and never forgets them. A computer has a storage device, and in that storage device you can store many informations. It may be files, photographs, videos, and it is saved there. So that way a computer never forgets anything. A man can remember many things and can even forget them after some time. A man can remember many things, children, but there will be a time where a man actually forgets some of the important things. A computer doesn't make any mistakes. A computer, if you give any task, the computer will do it correctly. You may give a simple arithmetic problem, a computer will give you the correct result. A man can make mistakes. Man is programmed in such a way that it can solve complex problems, but a man can make mistakes. A computer works very fast and doesn't get tired. Children, no matter how long you work on a computer will keep running. It never gets tired. A man works slower than a computer and gets tired after some time. A man, if he keeps working for long hours, there will be a time when a man will get tired. So, a man works slower than a computer and does get tired sometime. A computer cannot take decisions on its own. Children, you need to command a computer. You need to tell a computer what to do. A computer needs instruction. Unless you give an instruction, a computer is incapable of functioning. But a man can take his or her own decisions. A computer doesn't have feelings. A computer cannot cry. A computer cannot feel sad or happy. But a man has feelings. Man can cry, man can laugh, man can feel bad, man can feel happy, alright? So man has feelings, but a computer doesn't have feelings. A computer needs electricity to work, while a man doesn't need electricity to work. In your house, if you do not have electricity, a computer may not be able to function. But a man doesn't require any electricity to work.
Children, I hope you remember all the points on the different differences between a man and computer. I hope this lesson has helped you in understanding how complex a computer and how complex a man can be. Learning outcomes. You will be able to understand that a computer cannot work without electricity. A computer cannot think and take decisions on its own. A computer can do the same tasks again and again without getting tired. A computer never makes mistakes by itself. Thank you. Have a nice day. Meet you all in the next video. Take care.